Alright, we are ready to take off. Yeah, it's our drill to take off and to fly in all of these zones. And this zone is the particular zones for we design for. This is using for the factory, warehouse, and for manufacturing towns. So before we are in the inside, we mentioned all of these functions we doing for. Now we use our drill to fly at air to see exactly what we do for and how big or how perfect of our thing of the things our do. Well, the fly will be turning around and to increase their altitude. Now its altitude is 200 meters. So you can see all of these white buildings and the blue buildings. It's our products, and right now our drill is go for the east south area. Okay, so we're moving around. So at this altitude, we only can do about maybe 200 meters or more, because this close to the airport. So you can see this tallest buildings is our manager buildings, and we turn to the left hand side. So to see this front door of this manager buildings and the hotel buildings. You can see the first building of taller building is already success to build, and another two of the highest building it's finished the framework, and it's for all set decorations. So alright guys, we are Lumwon Architecture Design Agency. Thanks for all of your audience to watch our show.